CrCOR, CrCOOH, DrCOOR. The answer is B, which is RCOR. And alkanones are also called ketones. They have the general formula RCOR. Question number 2. The constituents common to duralumin and alcohol is A. Cobalt, B. Manganese, C. Aluminium, D. Magnesium. The answer is C, which is aluminium. The constituents of duralumin are aluminium, copper, manganese, and magnesium. And then the constituents of alnico are aluminium, nickel, and cobalt. So if you are getting any value from this video and you have not yet subscribed to our channel, like and subscribe this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video like this, you get notification. Question number 3. The shape of the x orbital is A. Elliptical, B. Spiral, C. Circular, D. Spherical. The answer is spherical, which is D. Question number 4. Aluminium hydroxide is used in the dyeing industry as A. Dye, B. Dispersant, C. Salt, D. Mordant. The answer is D, which is mordant. Aluminium hydroxide is used as a mordant in the dyeing industry. Question number 5. The tincture of iodine means iodine dissolved in A. Ethanol, B. Bromine chloride, C. Chlorine water, D. Water. The answer is A, which is ethanol. Tincture solutions are the features by the presence of alcohol. Thus, tincture solutions are also known as weak iodine. Question number 6. Temporary hard water is formed when rainwater containing dissolved carbon dioxide flows over deposit of calcium carbonate, sodium carbonate, C. Sodium sulfite, D. Calcium sulfite. The answer is A, which is calcium carbonate. Question number 7. The process that occurs when two equivalent forms of a compound are in equilibrium is A. Isotopy, B. Resonance, C. Isomerism, D. Reforming. The answer is B, which is resonance. Resonance process involves two forms of a compound. Question number 8. In the laboratory preparation of ethyl ethanol, the water present in the mixture is removed using A. Anhydrous calcium chloride, B. Concentrated sodium carbonate, C. Sodium hydroxide, D. Concentrated tetraoxosulfate 6 acid H2SO4. The answer is A, which is anhydrous calcium chloride. Question number 9. The constituents of air necessary in the roasting process are A. Oxygen, gas, and water, that's H2O, B. Argon and carbon dioxide, C. Carbon dioxide and water, D. Oxygen and carbon dioxide. The answer is A, which is oxygen and water. Question number 10. An isomer of C5H12 is A. 2-ethylbutane, B. Butane, C. 2-methylbutane, D. 2-methylpropane. The answer is C, which is 2-methylbutane. And if you look at 2-methylbutane, he has 5 carbons and the number of hydrogen is 12, which is equivalent to what is here, because here, if you look at here, we have C5 and H12, and that means he has 5 carbons, which is equivalent to the one here, and also hydrogen 2 is also 12, which is equivalent. So question number 11. The salt formed from a weak acid and a strong base hydrolysis in water to form A. Saturated solution, B. An acidic solution, C. A buffer solution, D. An alkaline solution. The answer is D, which is an alkaline solution. Question number 12. The ideal gas laws and equations are true for all gases at A. Low pressures and lower temperatures, B. Low temperatures and high pressures, C. High pressures and high temperatures, D. Low pressure and high temperatures. The answer is A. Okay, sorry, the answer is D. Low pressure and high temperatures. Question number 13. When change in heat is negative, a reaction is said to be A. Endothermic, B. Exothermic, C. Reversible, D. Ionic. The answer is B, which is exothermic. Question number 14. The shape of ammonia molecules is A. Trigonal planar, B. Octahedral, C. Square planar, D. Tetrahedral. The answer is A, which is trigonal, because if you look at it, ammonia has the formula of NH3 and the hydrogen is 3, and if it's 3, that means you have 3 sides, and the 3 sides means it's in form of a triangle, which is trigonal planar. Question number 15. Tin is unaffected by air at ordinary temperature due to its A. Low melting point, B. Weak electropositive character, C. High boiling point, D. Wide lustrous appearance. The answer is A, which is low melting point. So tin has a melting point of 232 degrees. This enables it not to be affected by air at ordinary temperature, together with the fact that it also helps in making a good metal for alloying. Question number 16. The reaction of the halogens with alkanes in the presence of sunlight is an example of A. Oxidation reaction, B. Addition reaction, C. Hydrogenation reaction, D. Substitution reaction. The answer is D, which is substitution reaction. Alkane undergoes substitution reaction, and it is also an example of halogenation substitution reaction. So if you are getting value from this video, like and subscribe this video, turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload video, YouTube will send you notification, or our other platform in which we are uploading this video on will send you notification. Question number 17. The enzyme used in the hydrolysis of starch to dextrin and maltose is A. Lipase, B. Amylase, C. Invertase, D. Zymase. The answer is B, which is amylase. Question number 18. The alkyl group is represented by the general formula CnH2n, CnH2n minus 2, CnH2n plus 1, D CnH2n plus 2. If you look at alkyl, it's gotten by minusing 1 from alkane. So that's going to be CnH2n plus 1, because if the 1 is removed from these two, here will be 1. Okay, so that means this is the right answer, which is C. Question number 18. According to Charles' law, the volume of a gas becomes 0 at minus 100 degrees centigrade, B minus 273 degrees centigrade, C minus 373 degrees centigrade, and D 0 degrees centigrade. The answer is B, which is minus 273 degrees centigrade, because you have to do the conversion to Kelvin, which is minus 273 degrees centigrade. Then you do the conversion, that's plus 273 degrees centigrade, which is equal to 0 Kelvin. At 0 Kelvin, volume of a gas becomes 0. Question number 20. The gas that can be collected by downward displacement of air is A. Chlorine, B. Sulfur dioxide, C. Carbon dioxide, and then D. Ammonia. So see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on the notification bell. Answer is ammonia. So this is